sectorally, Vivek, FS is always financial services one of the key, and there has been a lot of talk around this. The buzz, I think the buzz was around this 100% FDI in insurance, right? So whilst we kind of get it at a 30,000 feet level, what does it really do to our insurance ecosystem and generally to the sector? And are there anything like fintechs again? I think so there were talks around fintech, there's certain things which have been done. So, can you just take time to talk about various elements of financial services and impact on all various elements which we have talked about so far?
So, couple of interesting things. I'll take the 100% FDI in insurance first. So the insurance penetration in the country has been low, and the idea of the insurance regulator and the government has always been to get more players into the country. Insurance is a kind of industry that needs a lot of technical know-how, and we have always kind of opted through the JV route to use that knowledge to kind of come in for the purpose, because the kind of underwriting skills that you need, especially from an insurance standpoint, helps. The whole theme of deregulation effectively played out, actually allowing 100% FDI in insurance, obviously with a condition that the premiums need to be invested in India. Now just imagine that if these funds are available and there is a regulatory reform that is created through the Financial Services Development Council, FSDC, to allow investments by insurance companies in corporate bonds, and to specifically call out municipal bonds. It kind of helps integrate everything together to help kind of put the story in order. So the whole insurance piece is far bigger than what just meets the eye. The interesting piece is that speedy mergers, 100% FDI, need for municipal bonds. Now, can you kind of put all these stories together? That's really how it plays out. And the whole financial services initiatives that actually came out kind of bring that whole story together. So FDI and insurance, when you actually raise municipal bonds, not every municipal institution is rich, which technically means that they're also going to need credit enhancements. Social security is going to be extremely important because with the kind of growth that we're looking at, it is extremely important that social security measures are available to everyone, which is what brings the need for actually rationalizing the pension reforms. And that's something that essentially in terms of we saw that kind of coming out. A real economy is always supported by financial services sector for growth, and an enabler is deregulation. But once you deregulate, it needs to be a frictionless process, and that's really where the ease of doing business kind of comes in, and the initiatives that we actually spoke about facilitate that. So at least that's the way I saw the initiatives on the financial services sector playing out.